Hi, I'm Aaron, one of the technical consultants here at APC. Today I'm just going to run you through our little 5-inch grinder with the D-handle and the shroud. This is what it looks like fully assembled. D-handle, shroud. How you receive it is in a box just like this. Let's go. So first thing we need to do is attach our D-handle. As you can see, nothing is attached. Now it does have a slight gap here. You may need to just squeeze that in a little bit or just apply a bit of force on the ground to get it to go in. It is a multi-fit D-handle. Just doing up the screws, just getting them both started. Well, easy to do on a workbench, but just here to show you guys what I'm doing. A little shifter, just tighten her up. No particular torque settings or anything to do it to. You just want to do it up so the handle's nice and tight and firm and in the right position. And that's it, D-handle installed. So now we come to installing the shroud. On these Metabos, there is a little clip here for their factory shroud. We're going to take that off, simply removing a little circlip and a little spring here, and that pops straight out. There's the little clip. Little spring just pops out. Then we just open up our shroud. Tool for the grinder. It is a multi-fit shroud, so it does come with little adapters in it. We don't really need them for this one. So we start off, we're releasing the locking mechanism. Just put it over there lightly, see how it fits, and then adjust accordingly. This one will need a little tighten. So you just tighten the little screw here whilst it's open. That'll tighten it up. If it's too much by your fingers, just get your little screwdriver in there, just tighten her up that way. And you want this fairly tight because you don't want any dust leaking from around it. And we set the shroud up so that your cutaway is at the front, so you can do all your edge grinding, and your vacuum mounts on the side so you can stick your hose on and operate it with your vacuum. Once you've pushed it down, make sure it's all flush. Simple fact of just closing up the locking pin, sliding it closed, she's on there, shroud's fitted, you're ready to rock and roll. Chucking the disc on is quite simple. Locking mechanism on the top, undo your locking nut, slide your disc on, reapply the locking nut. These are a quick release, so you don't need a tool for it. You're ready to rock and roll with your 5-inch grinder.